How to add NASDAQ on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to add NASDAQ on your watch list? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on a mobile or laptop device. Once you open the app, now click on this watch list icon. Once you tap on it, now click on this plus icon and search for NASDAQ. You will be provided with multiple options over here. If you are looking for NASDAQ futures, then just simply go over here and click on plus icon. Once you click on it, NASDAQ will be added on your watch list. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add NASDAQ on watch list. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.